Tracking your forecast now, I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens, and we've got a nice cool down moving in this weekend, but it is going to come with a lot of wind across Arizona. For Phoenix tomorrow, sunshine and breezes in the afternoon as winds come out of the west-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour, and gusts hit about 20 to 30 miles per hour. We'll drop to 86 degrees. That is about an 8-degree drop and puts us a couple of degrees below normal for this time of the year. Winds a lot stronger out along the rim and northeast toward the Four Corners, where we'll see wind advisories throughout the day on Saturday. Peak wind gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour in that part of our state. That is also going to heighten wildfire danger as conditions stay dry. So Saturday and Sunday, many of those same areas under red flag warnings for wildfire danger. On Sunday, we're also going to add southeastern Arizona to that wildfire danger as winds pick up down there too. Here's the culprit. This storm system coming in keeps all the rain and snow to the north. We're on the dry south side of this with just wind and cooler air in our forecast through the weekend. Then that pushes to the northeast. We've got another surge of energy kind of breaking off of that. Not a big impact for Arizona, but it will keep temperatures a little bit below normal for the start of next week as well. Then a third storm system digs down. This one might bring a few spotty showers to northern Arizona by the end of the week, but at this point our valley forecast does look to stay dry. Tonight we'll drop to 63 here, 50 in Sedona, 35 in Flagstaff, and 42 degrees out in Show Low. For tomorrow, high temperatures in the 50s and 60s up across the high country, 80 degrees in Globe, 90 degrees in Safford, and upper 70s to low 80s out west along the Colorado River. Phoenix again at 86, but Tucson's actually going to be warmer at 87 for tomorrow. And as we take a closer look at the East Valley, you'll see high temperatures at 85 in Mesa, Gilbert, Tempe, and Chandler tomorrow, 84 in Scottsdale, and 83 degrees out in Fountain Hills. Early morning lows, mid 50s to low 60s across the Phoenix metro area. And in the West Valley tomorrow afternoon, highs at 86 in Laveen and Avondale, 84 in Peoria, and 85 degrees in Litchfield Park. Here's the next 7 days. That cool down takes us to 80 by Sunday. We'll spend early next week in the 80s too before the 90s return starting Wednesday. For Flagstaff, a windy day tomorrow, 59 degrees for the high, dropping to 53 Sunday with more breezes in the forecast. And the 60s are back for most of next week with a slight chance of isolated showers on Tuesday and again next Thursday and Friday.